First off, I effed up. I fully own this. I never knew it was the leaders behind me. Kenny, I'm sorry and sincerely apologize. I ruined your race and I wish I could take it back. I know the fans are pissed, and the team, which I would be too. I hate that I was the guy in the way and ruined a race. Ruined the win in a race. I should have been more aware of who was behind me and I just got locked in on the guys ahead. You guys can tear me apart in the comments. Do what you gotta do, which I can't apologize enough. Pretty much, I'm the idiot of the race. Once again, I'm sorry. Sucks to be that guy. So that's Dean Wilson after Houston 3. So tell me in the comments below. Do you think he ruined it? Do you think he didn't see the flags? Obviously, if you didn't see the race, got down to the last lap or two, whatever it was, and he blocked Ken Roczen from making progress, which allowed Cooper Webb to come up and catch him and pass him and win. So, yeah, there was definitely a exciting end to Houston 3. It sucks for Dean Wilson. You have to give it up for him for being such a stand-up guy for only a couple hours after this coming out and apologizing and taking full responsibility for it. You look a couple years back and you see Chad Reed fully blocking Villopoto or Dungey and whoever it was. Never apologized for it, so you got to give it up to Dean Wilson for being that kind of stand-up guy to just come out and apologize and know he did something wrong. But it is racing. He was in the top 12 on the last lap. Probably didn't think he was going to get lapped at that point, but I don't know. Tell me in the comments below. Do you think he meant to do it? Do you think Ken Roczen could have taken a different line and finished? But make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and tell me what you think, and I'll see y'all later. Peace!